nakita nga in my post.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that, no? Siguro naman, nakikita mo naman ang gobyerno, sasabihin mo mga tanga kami. Siguro, pinapalagay mo, alam mo sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang pinapalagay ni Ms. Kisset, yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Yun ang pinapalagay mo. Hindi ang gobyerno.
So ayan, pag nagsalita kasi kailangan linawin para hindi mapapasubo sa Senate.
Yung audience mo mismo, ang hindi nakakaintindi. That is fake news, Mr. Chair, and that is what we're investigating right now. You see? I hope that you understand that, Mr. Chair. Ms. Kisset, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Ikaw, nandito sa akin yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa amin, ha? Hindi ako sumagot yan, eh. Hindi ko na kinakailangan pang i-belabor yan. So, anyway, Mr. Chair, anyway, nakita mo naman na Ms. Kisset is now apologetic to what she said. I'd like to continue on. I would like to ask TikTok here.
Saan na lang. Ganun lang si nanay, ganyan talaga.
Ms. Pichi, I can see that you are a very good English speaker.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are a very good English speaker. Are you an American or a Filipino?
Bisaya ko, sir.
Yun. Bisaya pala. Bisaya pala. Okay. Kanina English ka na English. Nakala ko, Amerikano ka eh.
Mr. Chair, may makasabot og Bisaya diri. Gamay ra. Bisaya.
Makasabot si Chairman Bisaya.
Yes, sir.
Si Bisaya.
May hapon, sir.
Dito mo.
May hapon.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask you a question. Who owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, ByteDance is the parent company of TikTok. ByteDance.
ByteDance.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where is that located? What's the
ByteDance.
headquarters of ByteDance?
I believe, Mr. Chair, the headquarters of ByteDance is in China.
In China.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
ByteDance in China. I heard that ByteDance has connection with the Communist Party of China.
Mr. Chair, no, that's not true, respectfully.
So you have that information is not true.
Mr. Chair, that's correct, it's not true. Yes, it's not true, Mr. Chair.
Information na totoo. Na mayroong connection ang ByteDance sa People's Republic of China. Wala.
No, Mr. Chair. The Chinese government
This
is...
teaching, Mr. Chair, no company in China can exist without any connection with the People's Republic of China. Communist Party of China. No company in China would ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China, Mr. Chair. Do you believe that?
Mr. Chair, I'm happy to explain the ownership structure of ByteDance. 60% of ByteDance is owned by global investors, including General Atlantic, Susquehanna, and also SoftBank. The other 20%, Mr. Chair, is owned by ByteDance employees around the world, including in Southeast Asia. And another 20% is owned by the founder of ByteDance, who is a private citizen who I believe lives in Singapore now. Sorry, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, you have syllables, no? Mr. Chair, I don't actually care who owns it or who are the shareholders to it. What I'm just telling you is that if that is a Chinese company, headquarters in China, no company in China could ever exist without any connection with the Communist Party in China. That is what I'm saying, and I'm not asking a question to you. Now, let me ask you a question now. Who is the Filipino counterpart that owns TikTok?
Mr. Chair, there's no Filipino counterpart.
No Filipino counterpart. Therefore,
No, Mr. Chair.
it is totally a foreign company.
Mr. Chair, it is a company headquartered in Singapore and Los Angeles.
So with that, Mr. Chair, it means that you do not have to pay taxes in the Philippines for that?
Mr. Chair, we comply with all tax regulations that are imposed on us in this country.
Pero si mama hindi
It
talaga
means
talaga.
that
May mga technique yan
the
si mama kahit
PIR has imposed some tax
Pag matawagan na siya, yun na, magkatawagan.
Mr. Chair, we have the digital services tax, which will be in implementation, I think within the year. I'm not quite sure, but we have the digital services tax,
Can you
Mr.
give
Chair.
us a document stating that fact, Mr. Chair?